So today I'm going to show you how to top up a basketball. You will need a ball pump with an inflation needle and ideally a pressure gauge. First, we are going to moisten the needle and insert it into the ball's valve. Then we attach the pump and slowly inflate it. Periodically, we check the pressure against the recommended 7 up to 9 psi range, using the gauge or performing a bounce test. Once inflated, we remove the needle and the ball is ready to use. That means we need a ball pump. This is a hand pump or a compressor. Inflation needle. This comes with the most pumps out there. Pressure gauge. This is the most accurate way to check the pressure. And lubricant, water or glycerine to moisture the needle. Then, of course, we inspect the ball first. We check for any cracks and defects before we start. Then we lubricate the needle. We dip the needle into water or glycerine to make it easier to insert and prevent damage to the valve. We insert the needle carefully. We place the lubricant needle into the valve and into the basket. We attach the pump then. We connect our pump to the needle and we going to inflate it gradually. We will pump the air into the ball. And after this all is done, we remove the needle. That means once the ball reaches the desired pressure, we remove the needle from the valve and then we should be done. Avoid of overinflation, because overinflation can damage the ball and cause injuries. And remove the needle carefully to let out the air. We just unscrew the needle from the pump and insert it back into the ball to release the pressure, if this is necessary. But we are going to inflate it, of course. And then we can start and have a good game with our new basketball, which is inflated. Job's done, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Till soon.